And I'm Alfredo and we're both competing side by side in the next upcoming 2018 Windshield Repair Olympics. We're here right now training for the Windshield Repair Olympics. This year there's going to be females in the competition. That's why my wife is here. She's learning not only from me but from other experts.
I'm Susan. I've been doing auto glass, working alongside my husband for the past 3 years, and being a mom, because I am a mom to 4 kids. Now I feel like it's my time to shine. I want to learn how to do windshield repairs, and I really like the ProVac Zoom. So to me, it's something I can work with, I can use, and now I'm going to get involved and learn how to use it and do it properly and do a safe repair. So I'm really excited about that. We used GlasWeld prior. It was the EcoVac, and to me that system was very delicate. It was so easy to just kind of do the wrong thing or do the right thing, and I felt like that wasn't something that I could handle. And so when I noticed the ProVac Zoom and how easy it is to get that injector mounted onto the windshield and to be able to apply pressure and release pressure and vacuum in the system, I just was like, this is something I can definitely do. And so now I'm totally excited about it because I feel like it can help grow our business. And you know, when the customers walk in and they need a repair, I can help them and follow it through all the way until payment. Know that GlasWeld is there to help you with your training, and so if you have any questions or anything, contact them. They'll help you to learn more about your product, like what you're actually using and how to get that excellent repair every time. I see him training other people, and then he trains me, and I'm like, oh, it's so much pressure because he really like wants me to do good. I'm his wife, so he really looks for that.
I guess I push more on her because I know she's got it.
Currently, our view on our business has just been such a blessing. We've just had so much growth, and Alfredo has just done a great job with his competitions and growing his channel and just providing a great customer service and safe installation to the customers that we have at home. I think in the future we're just going to be really excited about the Auto Glass Week and being able to compete next to my husband. I think that's something that we're going to be really excited about coming here soon.
Yeah, most definitely. Yeah, I see ourselves in the future doing a lot more repairs. I already see it growing and growing and growing. Yeah. With all the ADAS systems in the vehicles, so the demand is higher, and I think it's just going to get higher and higher because they're not going away. That system is going to stay. Customers are going to rely more on a windshield repair than replacing the entire windshield. With
this from GlasWeld, it's just opened up so much for us. You know, I'm so excited that I'm going to be able to actually complete the repair. Like, so it's not just, oh, she's a nice customer service representative. Like, oh, Alfredo, you found a good one. No, no, no. I can do it. I can actually do it, and then I can process your payment, you know?
Yeah, and I see ourselves, both of us, work in our shop, and we're both doing windshield repairs at the same time, so I want